Have you ever wondered what you should do if you ever start having problems with Kajabi? Then keep watching because you're about to discover why aspiring online business builders end up getting frustrated so quickly, 3 ways to reduce or eliminate frustration with using Kajabi, and a massive advantage Kajabi provides its members. And be sure to watch until the end because in a moment, I'll reveal how to quickly solve any problem that comes up, even if you aren't a techie person. But first, my name is Dex, and I've been helping entrepreneurs to make money selling what they know to other people who could use their help since 2007. I became a founding member of Kajabi in 2015. With almost every online platform, there's going to be a bit of a learning curve to truly become comfortable with all the various features. 3 ways to reduce frustration when it comes to using an online platform like Kajabi is to use the knowledge base that they have built. This is a section of the Kajabi platform which has videos and step-by-step tutorials that covers almost every single feature inside of Kajabi. This will be a great resource to use if you're ever stuck to make sure that you can find a way to resolve the issue. Another option that Kajabi offers for helping their users move forward is their daily question and answer live webinars. So these are webinars that you can access and ask any questions that you might have to the Kajabi team, and then they will be able to give you whatever action steps you need to move forward with building your business. But last and definitely not least is the 24/7 live support that Kajabi offers members who have that in the plan that they chose. This means that if you're wondering what to do if you start having problems with Kajabi and want to get help with it right away, the answer is to take advantage of the 24/7 live chat support offered to Kajabi members. There's no need to wait for the daily webinar, and it might give you a bit more step-by-step help than, say, the knowledge base on its own. You can easily get back to building and growing a profitable online business without feeling frustrated or overwhelmed. Now that you know which of the 3 options exist to help you get better results with Kajabi, let me know which one stood out to you as being the most helpful. And if you want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you see all the future videos. And be sure to watch this video on Kajabi right now.